Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your PIN with US Bank. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your PIN with US Bank, begin by visiting the US Bank website or opening the US Bank mobile app. If you're using the website, click on the login button located at the top right corner. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Customer Service section. Look for the option that says Manage your personal identification number. Click on this option to proceed. If you're using the mobile app, log in with your credentials. From the main menu, select More at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Manage PIN. You will see a prompt to verify your identity. Follow the instructions, which may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via text or email. Once your identity is verified, you will have the option to reset your PIN. Choose a new PIN that meets the security requirements. Confirm your new PIN by entering it again. After successfully resetting your PIN, you will receive a confirmation message. Be sure to remember your new PIN for future logins. If you encounter any issues during the process, contact US Bank customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.